This corner of 26th Avenue East and 7th Street East has been hit hard by what could have been a tornado. Did a tornado?
Yeah.
What time was it?
About 9:30. 9:30 it hit and it destroyed this. It knocked that on top of my house. And then the other tree on that side. And then the tree on this side.
This is the tree that fell on Delia's house. What did it sound like?
Very heavy lightning and strong winds. And then it just took it. All I felt that side of the house, the tree just hit it, and then I ran into the room.
There's power lines here.
Yeah. A lot of power lines everywhere. Yeah. All that fell on this side.
Is that dog friendly?
Oh yeah, she's fine. She's fine. No, she's tied up. She's fine. Hey, buddy!
What'd you do? I thought you prayed and kept the stuff from happening over here.
No, I didn't, sir.
You didn't pray last night?
Oh yes, I prayed. I ran into my
You
room.
gotta see this road. It's like a war zone.
Yeah, it is.
It's a war zone.
Yeah.
I mean, it looks like Hurricane Charlie went through Arcadia. That's what it looks like out there.
Oh my God, this was the worst night ever.
I have never seen anything like this. I mean, I went to Arcadia during Charlie, and that's what I saw when it pulled in here.
And
It
this
looks
right
like that.
here, look at that. That on the next to me from this neighbor. And it pulled out the roof.
Oh, wow.
And it broke my window.
Okay, Dave, tell us about the damage here at the Fleet Center.
They've got 2 or 3 buildings with the roofs blown on, some equipment blown over, and some wires down.
About what time do you think it happened?
I don't know. I got here about 8:30, and they sent me out here to guard the gate.
So, what's happening right now to repair the damage?
They're trying to get it cleaned up.
And do you think it was a full-fledged tornado or just bad wind and lightning?
I would say as bad as what I've seen back there, it had to be probably a full-fledged tornado.
So, Delia, what are you doing right now? Just cleaning up?
Picking up whatever's on the ground as much as I can.
So, have you talked to neighbors?
No, yeah, they all come by. They all come by and check up on us. We've been checking up on each other.
What's the worst damage here in the neighborhood, would you say?
I would say this house, that house, actually my house and this house. I would say in there. His right here. This is down right here. Yep. They're back, like the back of the house.